Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Coffee with Carl. I'm your host, Carl Zoellner, here, one of the attorneys here with Anderson Business Advisors. Today, I wanted to spend a little time and chat about this. Is actually going to be a pretty short video, actually, but why you would need asset protection with your brokerage account. I'd encourage you to take a look at some of my other videos where I talk about inside, outside liability, these type of issues. So, when looking at a brokerage account, what I want my clients to focus on when we're taking a look is not so much the inside liability factor, or if I say inside liability, I'm meaning, nobody's going to get injured slipping on a share in your trading account, or there's not some sort of tenant or contractor that's usually working within your trading account. So that's not really the basis of liability here. The basis of liability in a trading account is going to be from the outside. So from what myself, my wife, if you have kiddos, your kids, what they do can cause you to lose that brokerage account because because attorneys look at a brokerage account the same thing as cash. They don't care what your basis is in the stock. They see it as something with an asset in it that can be liquidated and sold and make their clients whole. So when we start talking about brokerage accounts, we really are protecting from the effect you can have on your investment versus the effect your investment can have on you. Throughout the years, it's been interesting coming across many clients who invest in many different spaces, and brokerage accounts is one of those things for some reason that almost tends to get forgotten in the conversation. Many people have had it in their investment mix for so long, they just sort of think of it like a bank account, which it kind of is. But the same way we'd protect your bank account, we suggest making sure that we're looking at that brokerage account from a tax and asset protection standpoint as well. And like I said, it's from that outside perspective. The outside liability side of what we do here tends to be one of the overlooked areas. We all sort of note, especially if we're talking about real estate investors or if you have an active business, we understand that the interaction with those third parties or general public can raise liability, but we often don't think about the assets we hold in our own name. And if, God forbid, say I got in a car accident, somebody could go after those assets. So we want to protect those assets as well. So that's it. I just want to talk a little bit about brokerage accounts. Stock trading was sort of at the front of my mind today, and thought for all of my traders out there, because we got a lot of them, even if it's not your primary investment vehicle, most everybody almost nowadays that I talk to has some sort of trading strategy. At Anderson, we're a big fan of one of our classes called Infinity Investing, which basically teaches dividend trading and sort of using conservative investing techniques just to get a higher return than, say, you would get on a normal, savings account, which isn't too hard to beat, but getting those consistent dividends, writing calls and options. So I would encourage you, if you have some interest or you've been looking at getting into the stock market as well, you take a look at our Infinity Investing class at Anderson. I am an Infinity Investing student as well and have really enjoyed it, so I can endorse it as well. So as far as that goes, that's pretty much it for this video today. It's a little bit shorter today. Like I said, I just wanted to I was thinking about my clients who are stock traders, so I wanted to just address real quick why we want to protect those brokerage accounts as well. So until next time, as always, please keep taking advantage of all of our free content out there. Toby's putting out a ton of videos, lots of Tax Tuesday. Tony, one of my colleagues, also puts out great Tony Talks. Clint's putting out videos. Michael's got a great new video. So like I say, keep taking advantage of all the free content, and we look forward to working with you if you're not already a client. So if you're not already a client, as always, please, I would encourage you to get that free consultation done. And until next time, I'll catch you on the next episode of Coffee with Carl. Thanks, everyone.